Computer science is a science of abstraction, creating the right model for a problem and devising the appropriate mechanical techniques to solve it. Namaste. Welcome to the channel Knowledge Star, Continuous Knowledge Excellence. My name is Karuna Singh. Today on our show, we have a very special guest, Professor Debnath Bhattacharya, KL University, Vijayawada, India. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, we will start with the very first question. That is, tell us something about yourself and your current research topics.
Okay. Many thanks for giving me the opportunity or thinking this type of program with me. So I'm really honored with our publication society. First of all, I'm very senior professor. Already 30 plus years I spent in this academics, academical administration, and very good number of years as a researcher. So in the line of computer science and engineering, especially. So now I'm in the end of my career. Currently, I'm guiding the people and designing some courses. What is the good one? What is the bad one? How to design it? How to face MBA people? How to face NAC? How to face autonomous UGC? And what are the requirement of the this organization to get the approval from them? Especially, very specifically, in academics, some subjects or courses are there, and research. In fact, if you talk about me, last 10 years, more than 10 years, I served as head of the department of many premier institute in Kolkata and Andhra Pradesh. And from 2017, I served Vignan Institute of Information Technology, rather Vignan Group, as a Dean Research. Parallelly, I had the HOD position also. But in my experience, what I realized, research and publication, people has to know what is that, why to do, to get the job continuous, or to be in the academics, or if I will not publish, institute will throw me out. All this you forget. Do your research for your own purpose. That is my only one line tagline. Do your research, even from the undergraduate level students to any level. Do your research for your own purpose. Whole world will respect your research. Who are you? They will not respect that one. So for example, I am the vice chancellor of, say for example, one state university. So they will remember you until you are in that position. When you are not the vice chancellor or not in the position, people will forget you. People will not come to you. That is my understanding and experience.
Absolutely.
People will remember you. People will respect you on your work. People will remain connected with you on your work. They will not tell, okay, at that time you are the HOD of Vignan, so that I am calling you, not like that. They will tell Debnath sir, 10 years back, now future also. Because of that. That means It will not come automatically, no. If whatever you want or whatever the requirement you have, if I give you from my heart with logic, you will remember me. If I call and scold you, why you are not working this, why you are not publishing, people will not remember you. People will find out some other way how to escape from that. But if you see my career or my people, I'm not going back long back. I'm going back to 2-3 years back. My last institute or my other previous institute or universities, still they are connecting with me because I am the big person. I took the decision. I was the interim principal, not like that. They are remembering me, Debnath sir. Okay, because they got some help on publication. They've got some idea about the teaching. What is teaching? Without research, a teacher is incomplete. So don't think what I will get after research. Research is mandatory for you when you are in the academics. That is point 2. Point 3 is now how you will do. So many funding required, so many contact required. Otherwise, why they will publish your paper? So that kind of support with your experience and your popularity in the society, you can just extend your help to your juniors. Noted that who wants this. Say for example, if I go to a one person, why you are not publishing, come to me, I'll do it for you. It will not work because the question will come, why that fellow is coming to me? What is the interest of that? Is targeting me? If it is a lady faculty or lady student, they will think in different way. If a boy or some other gents faculty, they will think, why Debnath sir coming to me for that? Okay, is he demanding something from us like that? So that you forget. That in our society, in Indian society, that is the common question because nothing will be available freely. But you will get 1 or 2 candidate or person or individual in our country, in our society, in our academics, in research line. You will get like me also, some people without any interest. I know I will not get anything from you. Still, I am giving time to you because only one thing. This is my duty to enrich the society who wants this. Somebody will tell, all this I know, I don't want. But you will get out of 100, 10 people will get who actually need all these things. Okay. So in that way, you have to create the impression and you have to support the juniors who actually want this. Okay. Now you think about subjects. So today you see, today we are talking about, I'm coming to the next point. We are talking about AI, ML, pattern recognition, these, that, etc. So many things.
Yes,
do you think?
Yes, sir. My question was also like saying, like, what is pattern recognition in communication?
Yes, I'm coming to, because I have seen your document. I'm very serious about it. When I'm giving you time, I'll read once that one. That is my bad habit, bad practice, whatever you tell. So I'm coming to that point. Say pattern recognition, one term you are using. But hardly people know now, if you come into the market in academics or research, very less people will know the word pattern recognition. But I doubt, and at the same time, I am surprised that in your document, pattern recognition words are there. I'm very happy to know that you know the topic and the words. Now see, nowadays, you will see people are going for computer science and engineering with specialization of ML, machine learning, artificial intelligence, cyber security, communication, WSN, okay, so many things, IoT, very numerous things they will speak about. But nobody speak about today, I'm telling. about image processing and pattern recognition. Basically, it was there earlier, 30 years back also it was there. As a pattern recognition and image processing. These are today's AI and ML. Only the change is that, only one change. That is, now we are working with more advanced technology. At that time, only C programming, Java, C++ was there. Now we can work with many libraries like Python, like R programming. You can get many libraries readily available. Sampling, for that you don't have to write program. For neural network, you don't need not to write any program. It is available in the Python library. You can use that. So students and the researcher are comfortable with that. But we, like people, we know if I want to convert one image to one two-dimensional array, what are the things? What is the fuzzy? Okay, what is the Fourier transformation? But today you ask anybody, nobody knows. Because of only one thing, now everything readily available. So what is the lagging? So actually you will be the sufferer only. Why? Because you don't have any base. Okay, when you go to the industry, you can get offer, say 60 lakh package. But the challenge is next year, you will leave that organization, you will jump to another organization with 70 lakh package. Why? Because of only one thing, not for 70 lakh. You cannot sustain it. Because people giving you 60 lakh annual, they will ask something 60 lakh equivalent. They are paying you, not, oh, you are so nice, Debnath, Bhattacharyya, come, take 60 lakh. Not like that. So they need that equivalent amount of effort and the thing from you, but you are lacking of that because you do not have the base. Because you are graduating from the today's environment where these things are now buzzwords. ML, AI, any paper, any research paper you use machine learning, you use AI, immediately those will be accepted by without considering the actual contribution or the innovation of your findings. So these are the common challenges are there. So pattern recognition, I always support as a machine learning, I can say forerunner. Without pattern recognition, you cannot enter into machine learning. So go back to the pattern recognition, simple statistics and probability, then come back to machine learning. It will be more good on data science as well. So pattern recognition is very, very important for today's world to crack into the ML. ML means machine learning or data science, whatever it is. That is the thinking about pattern recognition as per my knowledge and my study, my education.
You have really, really explained very well. And sir, you have used a sentence that is, without research, a teacher is incomplete. That was really very, very nice because research is actually very important. And apart from that, you have discussed about the pattern recognition communication. That is also really, very nice. Now, moving to the next question that is, what are recent advancement in biomedical imaging?
Before discussion of this, first I'll start with the healthcare system. So biomedical, or you can take many terms, say healthcare, biomedical, or you can tell medical image processing, or you can tell that gene-related, DNA-related, DNA computing, gene network, all this come that is influenced by the bioscience. So with biomedical, you will get another two terms, system biology, and another term you will get evolutionary computing. So for this, you will get a very good book, very good literature, definitely you will get, but very good book, very good text you will get, not like that. It is a pure research-oriented topic. So I'll take the brain image. I want to identify the brain tumor. That is purely biological thing. So what they are telling, that they are taking, the doctors are taking the image, they are checking the tumor size, this, that, etc. Now those days gone. What they are doing? They are taking the image and they are storing in the storage, say, crores of images, brain images. Few of that with tumor, few are without tumor. Now, when one image is coming, whether it is tumor image or not, then I'm checking with the storage. That image is matching with which domain? With tumor domain images or without tumor domain images? And accordingly, we are taking the decision. So for that, to do that, you should know how to check the image, how to match the image, and what are the consequences are there in image processing. You have to know that, you have to consider that, and you have to write accordingly the program. So it is the way I told you, it is not like that much easy. Because when your image you take and convert, then it will not be an image. It is a two-dimensional array. So two-dimensional array, it will be converted and it will check if anomaly is there, it will speak. If anomaly is not there, it will tell perfect. But the answer will come to the doctor whether that image is with tumor or not tumor. Background, that means after taking that, they are giving to computer science and engineering. Through machine learning and pattern recognition, they are identified. That technique is different. Then I'm giving the result. That result carry to the doctor. Ultimately, doctor will tell, yes, it is there or not. So this is basically one example I'm giving you, biomedical and biomedical computing or engineering or imaging. So this is the easiest way to define. But when you enter into the topic, it is a vast area. 4 years is nothing to there. Okay. So these are the thinking, or we are working on biomedical image in that way. That is also a part of pattern recognition.
Okay. So if I talk about the career opportunities in pattern recognition, so what will you say about that?
Now, entire market, even not only computer science, even if you go to the vehicle industry, okay, or if you enter into the car, say I want to travel, I open the door, I enter into the car, my mobile automatically gets charged. So now this is the era. That is the era. So everywhere, from starting to beginning, from class 1 teaching system to PhD level, postdoctorate level system, everywhere pattern recognition is required. Not only computer science, because computer science, one word I'm using, computer science is called pervasive computing. Pervasive computing means which will dominate all the domains. Say, electrical engineering, it will dominate, computer required. Electronics, computer required. Okay, civil, computer required. So everywhere it is dominating. So pattern recognition can be utilized everywhere or every engineering industry. The only difference between the human and other animal is that human brain is engineering oriented. We know the engineering. Even my mother, if you go back 50 years, 60 years, 80 years, old days, engineering brain is always there with human. So they can think this can be done. Accordingly, they can invent it and they can program it. So pattern recognition, I can say nowadays machine learning, which is the pattern recognition, forerunner is the pattern recognition, is useful everywhere, from everywhere. Like, so we are now predicting tomorrow rain will be there or not. If I ask you, Karuna, tomorrow there will be rain in Delhi, What will be your answer? I'm asking you, as a normal person, tomorrow will be rain? You can tell no or yes. On what basis? Because if today is raining, there is a chance tomorrow also will be rain. On that basis, you are telling, sir, no, tomorrow it will not be rain, I think. Means today is not raining. So obviously, tomorrow there is a chance no rain. Now, this, last 15 days I'll check. So last 15 days is raining or not? So I'll tell, no, sir, tomorrow not raining. But in last 15 days, if 10 days raining, today not raining, but I can tell tomorrow there is a chance. Because last 10 days it was raining. Like, that is 1 month. Now you take that data for last 10 years of the month of November. Last 100 years of the month of November, what is the raining? That is basically the machine learning. So your brain will learn, and that learning thing have to incorporate into the system. And then ask, tomorrow it will be rain or not. The system will tell you, it may rain, it may not rain, it may rain. That means tomorrow might be raining. Okay, that means last 100 years in the month of November, it was raining. That is the knowledge. And that is called knowledge engineering, can be used in pattern recognition and machine learning. So this thing is very, very important to enter the career and the future also, not only in India, all over the world.
Okay. So last but not the least, what message you would like to give to the students?
My simple message to not only my university, I am connected with many foreign universities. Students' behavior, mentality, gesture, attitude, more or less same. Everywhere I observe. Student wants something. If you deliver, they will be happy. If you will not deliver, they will just avoid it. That is the student mentality. Now, my message to the society, whoever there, from engineering to any kind of, any level of student, only one advice: go to the basic of the engineering, advanced part you will learn automatically. Basic part you will not get anywhere. Okay, data structure in computer science, as a computer science professor, I can tell, just go through with the data structure, algorithm. So you have to learn C programming, Java, any object-oriented programming, any database management system, and any advanced programming. It is not mandatory. If you have, it will be good, either Python or something. So these are the minimum requirement. Another thing I'm telling you, just I forgot to mention, another one word is coming nowadays, IoT. IoT is nothing new. IoT device may be new, maybe Raspberry Pi, maybe other board is available in the market. But the WSN, that means wireless sensor network, and microprocessor, not today thing. These two are required for IoT. If you are very comfortable with WSN, wireless sensor network, and microprocessor, which is now not included in computer science. If you know, earlier it was there, microprocessor, one course. So if these two you know very nicely, IoT is nothing to you. You can do anything. So go to the base of the engineering, advanced thing, automatically you can get it. There is no barrier. That is my message.
Yes, sir. So you have explained each and everything very well. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. Thanks for your time. And I would like to tell each and everybody who is watching this interaction, kindly subscribe to the channel Knowledge Star, hit the bell icon to never ever miss an update. And for these type of knowledgeable, educational, informative videos, then please do subscribe to the channel. So thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the links shown on the screen to stay connected.